it looks like there's a lobster right there. And I think I see a lobster up there. You think you can put them together?
Yeah! Where is it?
You gotta find it. You see any lobsters around there?
Yeah.
Where?
Why stay here? Why stay over here?
Oh.
This is it. This is the piece that goes.
I think it goes there. What do you see?
A second crocodile. Second crocodile.
Chase. Okay, look. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna do this piece. Okay, then you gotta celebrate the puzzle's done. Go crazy! Ready? Come here. 1, 2, 3. You have to blow mommy a kiss. Big kiss. Blow her a big kiss. How much do you love mommy? Almost lost in there.
1, 2, 3.
2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chase, can you throw daddy? Hold on, can you throw me? I want to go. You ready? Pick me up. Ready? Oh. Can you climb on me? Oh. You okay? Can I have a kiss? Okay, thank you, Chase. Thanks, honey.